Using an Affirm debit card is a straightforward and convenient way to manage your finances, particularly when you want to make purchases and manage payments over time. To start, you're going to need to apply for the card through the Affirm website or app. Once approved, the card can be added to your mobile wallet or used as a physical card for both online and in-store purchases. Now, when making a purchase, simply select Affirm as your payment method. You can choose to pay for the item in full or spread the cost over several months with the option to select a flexible payment plan. Affirm will guide you through the process, showing you the monthly installment amounts and the total cost of your purchases, without any applicable interest or fees. To make payments, you can log into your Affirm account either via the mobile app or website. Affirm allows you to set up automatic payments, or you can make one-time payments when it's most convenient for you. So be sure to keep track of your payment due dates. Keep track of your payment due dates to avoid late fees and maintain your credit standing. Maintain your credit standing. The Affirm card is a useful tool for managing purchases while keeping your finances manageable and transparent, providing clarity on what you owe and when. Let me know if this helped.